Homemade bubble tea. This one is bubble. Bubble. Okay, now I'm start cooking the bubble. Just cook the water, make the water hot. Cook the water, boil the water. Okay, boil water and then put that in. Hết luôn. Thôi cái gì trong nước nhẹ nhẹ. Hết chưa?
Yeah.
And then close it. Lấy cái nắp đậy lại. Oopsie, no. Close it for 2 minutes so we can have bubble. Here we go. That's how they look after 2 minutes. Put in there. Now I wash them with the cold water. Okay, so rinse them with very cold water. Oopsie. 3 minutes we can have the bubble with nice color. Even with the very cold water so they don't get sticky. Stay home, do nothing, just find something to eat, something to cook. And can be, ooh, look yummy. Okay, moving around nhiều.
Okay.
1 spoon in here. 1 spoon in here. Come on, 1 spoon.
Yes.
Oopsie. It already make. Okay, now time to make the soup.
The tea.
The tea, actually. I should knit the tea. This one already make for my daughter. She doesn't drink coffee. So I have mango flavor, which is my daughter and my husband like it. 1 spoon. 2 spoon. Okay. Coffee.
Oh yeah, that's coffee.
I love coffee. I got 2 spoon coffee. 3 spoon coffee actually. Coffee mango. And then
Oh, that looks really pretty. Look, Mama.
and it come out like a bubble tea. Look at that. Woo. After it's over, I can open the. Look at that.
Aw, you mixed it up. What about this one? Tastes good?
Mango.
Mm-mm.
So good. Here we go. That's mango flavor for my husband. Look at that. So cool. This is my coffee vanilla from myself. Look at that bubble tea. This is giant bubble tea for my daughter. She doesn't like bubble much. Okay. Enjoy, guys. See you later, alligator. My God, apple. So beautiful. It's symbol.
So good.
Symbol. Bye. Enjoy. Look at my daughter. She love.
So good.
Ooh.